So, you took down that old fence. You took down that old barn. What do you have? You've got a big stack of wood. You've got a big stack of metal. You cut down that tree. You decided to mill it, not throw it away. Well, I'm going to show you what we've done. The reclaimed material that you are seeing now was all repurposed from our projects, mostly. Some of it is barn wood, in which there was a barn about to be demolished due to insurance reasons, and we saved the barn and repurposed it. But whatever wood you may find to use, whether it's your old fence, old barn, whether you're taking down your old house and you can use parts of that wood, or milling a tree, say you're felling a tree, you can take that tree, get it milled, and use the tree as live edge for live edge countertops, live edge tables. You can recycle the metal that you've taken off a roof, use it for wall panels. There's so many uses, and this is just a small example of all the many uses that we've done integrating some of the reclaimed into our builds. So as you can see, there are so many uses for reclaimed material. Just here in my office, we use it all over the place. We think it's cool. If you can use it, don't throw it out, repurpose it, or maybe someone else can use it. And on the next video, I'd love to show you more on what we do with old framing so that you can see that it can get reused. It is structurally sound. It is okay. You don't need to throw that stuff out. You can use it for all sorts of structural purposes like blocking, etc. Until next time.